Hey guys, I'm Kelly with fitnessblender.com, and today I have an upper body workout for you that works the arms, chest, and upper back. So all you need for this is an optional set of dumbbells. I haven't included your warm-up or your cool-down, so you're going to make sure that you do both of those on your own. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're doing 45 seconds on with a 15-second rest in between each, so it's a relatively quick transition here. We are starting off with a halo plus a tricep extension. So you're going to need just one weight holding in front of your body. Nice strong stance here. Pulling your core tight. Go around your head, up and over. Do a tricep extension while you're there. And then finish the rest of that circle. Once you're in front of your body again, change the direction of the circle. So you're just going to keep this up. So keep changing the direction around your body with that tricep extension over your head. So make sure you're not holding your breath here. Keep your core pulled in nice and tight. You can drop down into just a little bit of a squat if you want to engage your glutes. Just squeeze everything, keep everything nice and tight and contracted. Make sure you're not using any momentum. You want it to be all strength, all muscle. No cheating. 5 seconds left. All right, so we have 15 seconds to change weights. Don't feel bad if you are missing out on a couple seconds here or there. Next up, we're going to be doing bicep curls. So again, pick a weight that challenges you. You want to be really feeling it in those last 10 seconds while making form your number one priority. So form first and then you add weight, but you definitely want to be struggling by the end of these intervals. So if it takes you a couple times to get used to it, get the hang of things, that's fine. And then start to add the weight so you're really challenging yourself. So here again, you're standing up nice and tall. You can keep everything nice and contracted, squeeze your glutes, pulling your core, and you're keeping your elbows hinged in at your sides. So you're not swinging, and you're not letting your elbows go way back. Just pin them right there, and then lift. And if you have to lower the amount of weight that you're doing in order to do that, you have to do it. It's worth it. It makes the exercise a lot more effective and a lot harder. It's very humbling to do it with proper form. Alright, so next up we're going to something really basic, and that's an arm circle. So you can either hold on to weights while you're doing this or just do it with your body weight alone. It's all up to you. You're going to stick your arms straight out from your shoulders, and we're going to be doing forward circles first. So nice tight circles. Just try to keep them right straight out from the shoulders. Again, pulling your core. Make sure that you're not holding your breath. And we'll reverse halfway through here. Few more seconds. All right, and switch. So now you're going backwards with those arms. Circles in reverse. 15 seconds left. This one is killer with weight. It's another really humbling exercise. Looks simple, but it gets to you after a while. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, and 1. So next up we're going to be doing a combination of lateral and ventral raises. So we're going to hit the shoulders nice here. So we're going to be going in front of the body and out to the side of the body. 5 seconds of rest left. Keep moving, just at least kind of move your feet around while you're waiting. Shake out those muscles. All right, so straight out, again from the shoulders, back down, and then straight up, about shoulder level again. So try to make sure that you're keeping your posture. You don't want to be leaning back in order to get those arms up there. So the movement is coming from the arms. So keep your core nice and strong. Exhale as you do the hardest part of the motion. So as you raise those arms, exhale. Take an inhale as they drop down. Exhale as you do the hard part. Just about 5 seconds left. All right, so next up we're going to be doing woodchoppers. So grab a weight, just one weight again. And we're going to be doing a kind of slow controlled swinging motion that engages the lower body as well. So you're going to be sinking down and then reach up. So you're doing a little bit of a twist as you rotate to get that weight up and over to the other side. So we're sticking on just one side here for each interval. Halfway done. 10 seconds left. Keep going. 2 and 1. All right, so shake out those muscles. Roll those shoulders forward and back. That should feel really good. And now we're going to repeat that on the opposite side of the body. So 5 seconds rest left. Shake it out. All right, here we go. So we're going down to the opposite side and rotating up to the other one. So the complete opposite of what we just did. So this definitely helps to turn on music that motivates you. And that's the exact reason we leave music off, is because, in my opinion, is that workout music is notoriously terrible. Plus, we all have different tastes. So we leave music off so that you can basically open any given free streaming service and listen to whatever motivates you most. So I'm curious what you guys are listening to today if you're listening to music. I know it definitely helps me through tough workouts, especially HIIT. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so next up we're going to be doing a row plus a step. So I'm going to carry the back of the arms. So you can also get in some glute work as well if you focus on squeezing your muscles. So take a nice deep breath. So you're going to be stepping back. Oops, sorry, a row. There we go. So row and step back. There we go. Step back on the opposite leg. There we go. I'll figure out what I'm doing by the end of the interval, I promise. So opposite leg back and row. So you can do it as slow as you like. Depends on how much you're lifting and how comfortable you feel with the exercise. But you can pick up the pace as you get familiar. Just make sure that you're focusing on keeping the muscles nice and strong and you're keeping your back flat. And keep your chest facing the floor. So you're not opening up as you pull that arm back. You're not doing this. You keep your shoulders down and make all the movement come from your, I'm struggling today, all the movement coming from your arms. All right, so next up we're going to be doing an overhead press. So you're going to need 2 weights again for this one. This one's nice and simple, but understated. So here we go. Pop those weights up to your shoulders, standing nice and tall. You're pressing up over your head and then slowly back down. So remember that breathing pattern. You can inhale on the way down, exhale as you press those weights back up. Again, you're not compensating your posture in order to complete this range of motion. You're keeping up nice, clean posture even when you press those weights up. So it's nice to try to keep the same pace on the way up as you do on the way down. Really force those muscles to develop well-rounded strength. Okay, so in our last 2 exercises, we're going to drop down to the floor for these. We're going to be doing a bridge plus a pullover first. So grab your weight. You need just 1 weight for the first exercise. If you have the bench, go for it, use it. But I always show the floor version just in case you don't. So pop those weights up, just 1, and you're lowering down over your head, and then bring it up just up to your shoulder joint, no closer in than that. Stop right there where those muscles are still really working hard. If you need a break, you can always bring them in here, but you're not working muscles as much. So try to not bring them in any closer, any further in than right over your chest. Squeeze those glutes up and get a good core, butt and thigh workout while you do this as well. Multitasking at its finest. 2 and 1. Okay, so this is our last exercise. We're going to be doing a bridge, again, if you don't have that bench, plus a chest fly, which actually, if I'm going to do a chest fly, I'm going to lower my weights a little bit. Like I said, don't worry about the timer. It's just a rough guideline. So dropping back down, pressing up into that bridge, and you're opening those arms up and then bringing them back together. So you should feel this all through your chest and your arms, and if you've got those, if you're pressed up into this bridge, you definitely need to feel it in your glutes and thighs as well, and your lower back. Remember, inhale on the way down, exhale as you press those arms back together. Never hold your breath. Keep it going. We are almost done already. 2, 1. All right, so just like that, we've just hit all of our upper body muscles, at least briefly. So if you are not going on to another workout, make sure that you cool down and stretch. Otherwise, thank you guys for working out with me. This workout is complete.